And it's not about age, right? It's not about age. Just because man's older don't mean man know more than man younger than me. And just because I'm younger than certain people don't mean I don't know more than older people. And certain things you don't even need to have gone through certain experiences to know. Yeah? You can just see and work things out. Yeah? And that's me. Me, I'm a thinker. Yeah? I just sit and I just watch and I observe. Yeah? Whether it's people or things going on. Yeah? Like the other fucking day, my neighbor had some man come to the house or whatever, innit? Yeah, some big looking guy, innit? Yeah, come knocking on the door, innit? Yeah. So I was out at the front, going in my car, right? And she's young, and so is this other guy, or whatever, innit? Yeah. When I say young, I don't mean 20s, but yeah, like 30s, so yeah, still young. So this random guy, he's knocked on the door, or whatever, innit? Yeah. And she's come to the door and he's like, oh, hey, you're right, and stuff. And I knew, okay, right, they're not having an affair or nothing like that in here because that vibe is too friendly. Yeah, it's too much of a friendly vibe or whatever, isn't it? Yeah. Like, you think I'll be knocking at Nadia's door, oh, hey, Nadia, how you doing? No, yeah. Out of the way, I'm coming through. Like, no one who's having an affair with a woman or whatever's creeping around a woman's going to be knocking like, hey, you're right, and stuff like that. That's too much of a friendly vibe, isn't it? So actually, you know what? To be fair, I've seen him at the house before, and he's a tradesperson. Yeah, but he could still be. Yeah, we all know some of these women. Yeah, they banging the plumber whilst the fucking husband's at work, isn't it? So yeah, he was a tradesperson. Actually, I've seen him there before, innit? But I knew, nothing's going on or whatever, innit? Just by the body language. Yeah. Not that I thought that, but as soon as I saw that body language and that interaction, I knew, nothing's gonna be going on. Yeah, because any guy who's dealing with a woman or whatever, or she's creeping around with a man, there's no friendly vibe like that.